Do you know this feeling? That voice in your head telling you to go outside. This thing reminding you of the thrill of the unknown. The rush of discovering new places. It's a feeling you can't ignore. It's something deep inside of you, and it's telling you you should go. It's the feeling of embracing the journey, putting yourself out there, in the cold, in the rain, in the harsh weather conditions, going from place to place and never stopping, always being on the hunt, trying to reach it. And the more you feel it, the harder it becomes ignoring it. It's a contagious feeling, and once you have it, it spreads to everyone around you. It's the feeling of being alive, in the moment, taking in the view. It's experiencing everything to the fullest. It's the feeling of going out to explore.
Well guys, what do you think? Did you like the video? Did you like the film? Let me know down in the comments below, because it's a bit different than the usual content that I make on this channel. But to be honest with you guys, I've just been getting pretty bored of making only vlogs, because I don't know, I don't get the same amount of excitement I used to get. Which makes sense, because I've been making vlogs for about 3 years now, and in order to stay fresh and not burn out, you need to change a few things. So I'll definitely try to make more short films like this one in the future, and hopefully get better at it, because it was just really fun, and it was something I wanted to do for a very long time, and at first I thought I was going to do it with Thailand, but I couldn't really feel the video I was trying to make, so I just scrapped this idea, and then we went on this trip and everything just clicked, and I just found myself with the short film that you just watched. So yeah, I don't know, I think my takeaway from this trip, from this video, is to just try new things and go out of your comfort zone, because honestly, going out during a so-called storm, that's not something most people would do, but doing it allowed us to get some insane footage, like the shot of like this castle with the clouds and the rainbow and everything. I could have stayed at home that day because the weather was bad, like it was raining, it was windy, it was cold, but we chose to head out and travel and like just enjoy nature, and I think it was the best decision we could have made, because we just got some incredible shots, some incredible memories, and it was just a blast. So definitely, if you have bad weather in your area, head out, go out, travel, stay safe, because you know you don't want to be out doing an insane tornado or something, but you know, just get outside of your comfort zone. Anyway, I think that's all I have to say for today, and I'll just see you in the next one. Bye!